Well, happy Unity Purim. I want to thank Gedalia for making his website and encouraging all of us to share. So, learning from Rabbi Abu Lafi in our shul, like many mitzvahs about Purim, I see and understand that really Purim seems to be about unity. And that might explain its relationship with Yom Kippur, because the rabbis say that Purim is, Yom is, Kippur is Kippurim. It's like Purim. So what's the connection? So you see by Purim that all the mitzvahs lead to something connected with unity and bringing peace and integration to people. For example, giving gifts to the poor, make them feel wanted, make them feel connected, taken care of. Giving portions of food to participate in a communal meal, a festive meal together to bring everybody together. Reading the Megillah and promoting the idea that everyone has a role to play. And so we want to take this Purim, hopefully the opportunity to be joyous and remember that behind the scenes, God is always taking care of us. The truth is the truth is the truth. Whether we believe it or not, whether we feel it or not, that is the case. And so wishing you an opportunity, take the opportunity to find people you can make feel more connected to you. So if you're going to do the mitzvah of delivering, portions, maybe do it to people who normally don't get anything from you, and let them know that you appreciate their existence and that you too want them to feel connected to you. Because everybody, like my daughter's pointed out to me from a reading of David Aaron, has a role to play. And unity is an amazing concept in Torah Judaism, that it really is when the different parts work together in harmony, creates unity. Just like the body is a unified whole, but it has so many different things going on at one time. The stomach is mind-boggling. Yesterday, I learned a little bit more about the stomach, how it all connects, different types of enzymes and bacteria. It's like, so we all are different and meant to be different. And nobody is meant to be a carbon copy of anyone else. So if I find myself thinking that somehow that person doesn't make sense, they shouldn't be here, there's something wrong with them, or I can't stand them, I'm doing the opposite of Purim. And I want to see the good in people. We need to see the good in people. That's what Rabbi Nachman's teaching us, that we have to see the good in people. And all those teachers, the teachers that come from Rabbi Nachman. And how do we do that? We have to see past, to see the good in them, their unique wonderfulness that is their role to play in the bringing of good and spreading light in the world. So take that opportunity to connect with others on Purim and to connect with yourself. If you don't see the good in yourself, it's time to see the good in yourself. And look past what you think are the layers of schmutz and find the goodness in yourself. How do you do that? Ask for another time, but at least try and beg Hashem, ask God, please help me see the good in me, because I want to feel good and I want to love people and I want to spread your light and your goodness. All right, have a good Purim. I look forward to connecting with anyone who would like to connect with us. Just email or text us.